High quality data is the backbone of any good GIS project, but finding reliable high resolution basemap can be a hassle. In this video, we are moving beyond the standard OpenStreet layers, which is the default on QGIS. I'm going to walk you through the installation and use of TilePlus, a powerful plugin that integrates premium satellite imagery from Google, Esri, and Bing into your QGIS workflow. By the end of this video, your map will look sharper and more professional than ever before. By default, when you open your QGIS, you have the XY cell tiles, which consist of your default base map. However, these are not usually sufficient for your map or base map, especially when there is need for high resolution imagery. So to get this, there are other ways of going about it, but the simplest way now is using a plugin called TilePlus. So for you to get TilePlus, you go try to your browser. On your browser, you tap on the search bar TilePlus. So TilePlus, among the options that you get, make sure you visit that of the GitHub. So on the GitHub web, that page, you click on the code icon. There will be some other options, and then you click download the zip. So once you download the zip, you go back to your QGIS, you click on plugins, manage plugins. Then once you click on that, it will bring some options for you. Among that, you see install, not install, install from zip. You are going to click on install from zip. So then you navigate to your download folder where the zip is download. The zip plugin is download. Then you select the TilePlus main zip. You open it, then you click on install plugin. Once you do that, you just click on yes, then it will install. You click on close. You see the TilePlus on your screen. So once you click on it, you will see the option for multiple maps. Then you explore from there. So see numbers of maps that you can pick on from. Let's pick Google Satellite, for example. Then you can zoom to your desired level, get your high resolution very clear. Just keep zooming to your desired level, and that is all. So you can use that for your numerous projects. You can use it as your base map. You get very high resolution imagery. You can explore other layers too. Map layer, just click on the TilePlus, pick the map you want, then you click on add. Once you add it, so let me know the different base maps you explore and what are your comments about them. And that is it. In just few clicks, you've gone from blurry pixel to professional grade satellite image. If TilePlus just save you an hour of work or few minutes of work, let me know in the comments. You can write map level up in the comments below. And also, I would love to see what projects you are working on. I want to see too. The links to the resources you use it for this tutorial is in the description. So check the description section. You are going to find the link to download QGIS. Is an open source GIS software, so it's free. Then the link to download the TilePlus from the GitHub, the zip file. The direct link is there too. You can explore it. Then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so that you don't miss my next QGIS deep dive. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.